Kids, in India where I grew up, undiyu gets very popular on the roadside and even at home. And I happen to have purple yam. The fresh purple yam is known as ratalu where I grew up. Sweet potato, shakarkand, also known as shakarya. Potato is used in undiyu as well. Eggplant, and sometimes baby eggplants are used as well. Since today I don't have the baby eggplants, I'm just going to use the regular eggplant. Methi mutiyas are prepared to complement the undiyu at the end, and banana as well. So it's totally up to you how you want to make as per your family preference. Oh yes, and also the wild beans, surti, lilwa, papdi is must for undiyu. There are few ways to prepare undiyu. Each and every family have their own recipe for preparing the undiyu. And today I'm making the way I have been preparing for a long time now, and it tastes amazing and it's getting quite popular as well. So I thought let me share with you all. Traditionally, purple yam, potato and sweet potato including eggplant are deep fried, and in today's world we do not want to fry a lot of stuff. So what I do, I prefer to steam and not even boil, because I don't want my undiyu to be on a soggy side. I would rather like to have it like just like how it is made with the deep fried vegetables. So let's start. Alright, so here I have prepared the vegetables: eggplant, wild beans, sweet potato and regular potato, and purple yam, ratalu. Here I have the pressure cooker pot, and I'm going to turn on the heat on a medium to high heat. Add water. Take the steaming basket. On one side, I'm going to add eggplant. Surti, lilwa, papdi on the other side. Sweet potato, sakarkand, sakarya, potato, aloo, and purple yam, ratalu. Cover the pressure cooker, put the whistle on, and hear about 3 to 4 whistles. Here I have prepared all the ingredients for making the masala: fenugreek leaves, kasuri methi, hara dhania, nariyal, coconut, raisins, cashews, ground peanut, mungfali, til, sesame seeds, undiyu garam masala. From my masala paste, I'll be using ginger, green chili, and garlic. From the spice box, I'm going to use turmeric, haldi, carom seeds, ajwain, red chili powder, ground dhania jeera, and mustard seeds, right? I'm going to prepare the masala here. So take the fenugreek leaves, methi, hara dhania, coriander leaves, nariyal, coconut, raisins, cashews, sesame seeds, til, ground peanut, mungfali, undiyu garam masala, turmeric powder, haldi, ground coriander, cumin, dhania jeera powder, red chili powder, lal mirch, whole cumin, jeera, ginger, adrak, green chili, hari mirch, garlic, lasan. Also love to squeeze juice of lemon. Mix it all really well. Now into the pot, on a medium to high heat, take about 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, add mustard seeds, right? And let the seeds crack. While the mustard seeds crack, add carom seeds, ajwain. Add the prepared masala and fry. Bring down the heat on a medium. Add salt. If desired, you can also add hing as a fatida. You can add when you prepare the masala, or you can add right after the mustard seeds and carom seeds are done. Little bit of water to get all that masala, and to prevent the masala sticking to the pot. Here I have the methi, muthia and banana. Slice the banana. Now let's check the vegetables. Release all the air and open the cooker carefully. And look at all the vegetables. They are well done. Carefully add steamed vegetables into the prepared masala. It looks like I'm going to need more turmeric powder, haldi, and at the same time I'm also going to add sugar. Sugar is optional. And now mix everything and ready to add slices of banana. Just get them in, and muthia. Turn on the stove again on a medium heat. Sprinkle little bit of water. Cover and let everything simmer for about 5 minutes, and everything will absorb all the flavors. So this was about making of undiyu. Undiyu is served garma garam with some puris, or can be served with complete meal menu like a Gujarati meal menu. Rice, chawal, curry, papad, pickle and salad, kachumber. Enjoy your way. Look at the undiyu now. Garnish dhania, hara dhania, coriander leaves, and undiyu is ready to serve. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week. You can also visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. Bhavna's Kitchen is everywhere. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest. You can also download Bhavna's Kitchen apps for free on your iOS, Android devices. And if you want to watch me on a big TV screen, if you have a smart TV, you can watch Bhavna's Kitchen on Roku. Thanks for watching and see you soon.